Have you ever found yourself staring at your bank account, wondering where all your money went? It's a common dilemma, and budgeting apps like PocketGuard and Mint can be lifesavers. But which one is better suited to your financial needs? In this video, we're going to dive deep into PocketGuard and Mint, comparing their features, user interfaces, and overall effectiveness. Let's start with a question. Are you a visual person who loves a dashboard? Or do you prefer a simple, no-frills approach? The answer might just determine which app is right for you. PocketGuard, the visual master. PocketGuard is known for its sleek and intuitive interface. It uses a visual metaphor of a pocket to represent your income and expenses. As you add transactions, the pocket fills up or shrinks, giving you a clear picture of your financial health. One of PocketGuard's standout features is its predictive budgeting. The app analyzes your spending habits and predicts your future expenses. This can help you identify potential overspending and make adjustments to your budget accordingly. Additionally, PocketGuard offers a savings goal feature, making it easy to track your progress towards specific financial objectives. Mint, the data-driven powerhouse. Mint, on the other hand, takes a more data-driven approach to budgeting. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts, providing you with a comprehensive overview of your finances. Mint's dashboard is packed with information, including net worth, credit score, and spending categories. One of Mint's strengths lies in its ability to track your spending habits in detail. You can see how much you're spending on different categories like dining, entertainment, and transportation. This can help you identify areas where you might be overspending and make necessary adjustments. Additionally, Mint offers a bill tracker and credit score monitoring, making it a valuable tool for managing your overall financial health. Comparing the two. So, which app is better, PocketGuard or Mint? The answer depends on your personal preferences and needs. If you're a visual learner who appreciates a simple and intuitive interface, PocketGuard might be the way to go. Its predictive budgeting and savings goal features can also be helpful for those looking to take control of their finances. However, if you prefer a data-driven approach and want a comprehensive overview of your financial situation, Mint might be a better fit. Its ability to track your spending habits in detail and monitor your credit score can be invaluable for those looking to improve their financial management. Ultimately, the best budgeting app for you is the one that you'll actually use. Both PocketGuard and Mint offer a variety of features that can help you manage your finances more effectively. Take some time to explore both apps and see which one resonates with you the most. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy budgeting.